Rain is almost a guarantee tonight across North Florida. It's the first of several fronts as we move from now through the weekend. A prolonged period of colder than normal temperatures are on the way. I'm going to show you in on my exclusive 10-day forecast. From the WRUF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Hoffman. Tracking that rain, you can see it out in the panhandle of Florida. That was the satellite and radar Monday afternoon. And yellows and reds showing up there. There may be some thunder when this arrives overnight, but this is not a really strong front. We're not talking any severe weather. The atmosphere is too cool and too tame for that. But nonetheless, some downpours hitting Alachua County. Watch this, right around 9:30, 10 o'clock. This will start moving in. It'll come in waves. One batch late this evening, another batch overnight tonight. Some heavy rain at times, distant thunder. And then for the commute in on Tuesday morning, there'll be some steady, annoying rain. Roads are going to be wet. You're going to want to check in with us mornings live from 7 to 9 a.m. We'll help you dodge some of those downpours on the way to work Tuesday. By lunchtime, we should be drying out and even some sun showing up late Tuesday afternoon there on Future Track. Rainfall amounts around 3/4 of an inch near Cedar Key, about a ½ inch or maybe just a little less than that for Gainesville and Ocala. It's a fairly progressive system, so we're not going to add up the rain too much. Here's your hour by hour in Gainesville. Mild overnight, temperatures holding in the low 60s, and there are those good chances for rain. Once again, it's pretty much a guarantee from about 10 o'clock tonight to about 10 a.m. Tomorrow. And with a little bit of sun tomorrow afternoon, we may bounce back in temperature. Overnight lows upper 50s, but tomorrow close to 70. That's a late day high temperature because the air behind this first front is not that cold. But folks, starting Wednesday, a 5-day cold snap. We're going to get a parade of fronts, one about every other day through Monday. We could have multiple freezes in a row. The good news is these fronts will come through dry. The reason? Blocking ridge of high pressure in the western part of the United States, western part of Canada. The air is forced up and over, and it's forced straight down from Canada again. This outbreak of cold is not as brutal as the one last week, but it's going to persist a lot longer for us here in the Sunshine State. Let me show you this again. There's Tuesday night's front. The strongest one comes in Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. There's another one Friday night into early Saturday, and maybe even one more Saturday night into Sunday. I moved that map 5 days, but those temperatures not budging much over the eastern part of the United States. Colder than normal weather for sure. All right, here's your exclusive 10-day forecast, and I've highlighted the 5 days in a row where daytime highs are going to be below average, overnight lows will be well below average, and we could have 4 nights in a row with temperatures right there near or below freezing, maybe the coldest Saturday morning. I think we're going to finally see a warm up early next week. Next Tuesday's high, 71.